This is going to be a video tutorial on how to remove a check-in from your Facebook profile. I'll be using an Apple iPhone SE, but this should work very similarly on other devices. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. Okay, I'm on my phone now. First thing I'm going to do is open the Facebook app. I'm going to tap on that. Then in the lower right hand corner, I'm going to tap on my profile icon. And from here, I'm going to tap on my name. Then I'm going to scroll down to the check-in that I want to remove. I'm going to remove this one right here. And the way to remove it, click on the 3-dot hamburger menu in the upper right hand corner of the post. Then you'll scroll down toward the bottom where you see it says Move to Trash. You just select that. Now it asks you if you want to move this check-in to the trash. You just tap on Move. Now it is gone. That is how you remove a Facebook check-in. Thanks for watching.